I was looking for a real portable, easy to pick up and get the job done circular saw, and I think I found it with this Power Smart 20 volt 5.5 inch cordless circular saw. It has a 2.0 AH battery and a fast charger. So it's capable of spinning that blade at 3,800 RPMs, which is just fine for whatever task I personally have around the house. And it has a max cutting depth of 1/7/16 at 45 degrees and 1/5 at 8 inch at 90 degrees. So this has basically all the features of heavy duty corded saw from top brand names. It was easily handled, very light. It has all the options such as angle, depth control. You got the base plate is adjustable to give you adjustable bevel. It has a parallel guide. It has spindle lock button. This way you could unhook the blade from the saw with the Allen wrench. And what's good is the Allen wrench has a storage little slide so that you could keep the Allen wrench attached to the saw. This way it doesn't get lost. That's a nice little detail that I like. Also comes with the safety feature of the adjustable guard because we have to be safe. The blade is a carbon tipped cutting blade that's more than capable, and it comes with two. So that's pretty cool. And I'm sure you could upgrade to different blades that will fit on this with no problem. It's very comfortable with the handle. They say it's less fatigue, but let's face it, you're not really cutting a lot for a long time with a saw like this. This is for small light jobs around the house and easy to pick up and easy to put down. Get the job done without the hassle of corded and heavier duty saws that are like in storage. So it's very lightweight, comes in at 7.5 pounds. You could easily use it with one hand operation, not recommended. But it also has a double trigger safety switch. So it's a little thumb button on the top of the trigger, and it's actually a little awkward to get to, which I guess makes it safe that you just don't accidentally hit it and then run the saw. So once you get used to it, it's no problem, but I could see the safety feature relevance of that type of button being in play. So I really like this. It went through this piece of wood like butter, and enough power for what I need done, and probably more than what I need done. I'm glad I picked this up, and I think you will enjoy it too if you need a portable saw that's easy to handle around the house. This is the one.